In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer segment using an existing customer segment in Shopify. Whether you're looking to pinpoint a specific audience or simply explore the capabilities of your Shopify's customer segmentation tool, this guide will help you do it step by step. Let's dive right into it. To start, we'll begin in your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll want to navigate over to the Customers section. Once you're there, look for the Segments tab. This is where Shopify stores all of your customer segments, and it's a handy place to start building a new one. If you're new to this, Shopify provides some default segments that are authored by them, which can serve as a great foundation. But of course, you might already have some segments you've created in the past. Either way, this repository of segments is a treasure trove for customizing according to your business needs. Go ahead and click on Segments. As you do, you'll see a list of all available customer segments. From this list, select an existing segment that you want to use as your starting point. Choosing the right baseline segment is crucial because it will determine what customer characteristics you're beginning to work with. Once selected, you'll find yourself in the query editor. Here is where the magic happens. In the query editor, you'll want to make the necessary adjustments to better tailor your segment. This is your opportunity to modify the criteria so that it accurately captures the customers you're targeting for this particular segment. Once you've made your edits, it's time to test. To verify your changes, click the Run Query button, or you might see another option denoted by a small arrow, simply labeled as Run. Run this query to see which customers meet your specified criteria. The resulting list of customers will appear just below the editor, providing a clear snapshot of who fits into your newly refined segment. Furthermore, take note of the number displayed above the editor, as it indicates how many customers fit the bill. It's a quick way to gauge the reach of your segment. It's important to review the AI-generated segment description. This description offers a summary of your segment, and you'll want to make sure it aligns with your intention. If anything looks off or could use refinement, don't hesitate to make adjustments. Once everything looks good, you're ready to save your work. Click on Save Segment to keep your updated segment. But if your intention was to craft an entirely new segment based on this work, you'll click Save as New Segment. When prompted, enter a distinctive new name for this segment. This will help you easily identify it later. Finally, just click Save one more time, and you're done. Now you have a brand new customer segment ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has simplified the process for you. Happy segmenting!